Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Oludayo. In this video, I will be showing you how to replace the Lenovo Yoga 710 15i battery. You can also apply the same process in this video to replace some Lenovo battery models like Lenovo Yoga 710 14i, Lenovo Yoga 710 14i, and Lenovo Yoga 710 15i. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first step is to remove the 10 screws that is holding the base cover. As you can see in this video, the outline circles and the arrow shows the location of the screws on the base cover. Now I'm going to speed up the video so that we can move to the next step of this process. Then remove the base cover. So you want to make sure that the base cover is carefully lifted up from both sides up. The next step is to identify the battery. As you can see, this is the bad battery in this laptop. The battery is already swollen. After identify the battery, the next step is to remove the screws that are holding the battery. I'm going to speed the video up as I move to the next step. The next step is to unplug the battery connector, and the battery connector is outlined as you can see in this video. You want to make sure that this battery connector is carefully removed with a pry or any tools available. Then remove the battery pack. Like I said earlier, this battery is bad. As you can see in the video, the battery is swollen. That's the reason why I have to replace this battery. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox my battery. Now the next step is to make sure that the battery is placed appropriately, and the most crucial thing about this process of battery replacement is to make sure that the battery connector to the laptop motherboard is well connected or fixed or pushed in appropriately. Without doing that, we're going to have a challenge in which the battery will be showing that the battery is not present, or the battery is bad, or the battery is not charging. So make sure that this is well done. So you can go ahead and screw your battery to the laptop and screw the base cover. Now just make sure that you use appropriate screw in the appropriate place. If you need any help, leave the comment down below. I'll be willing to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.